sitting meditative, dust free, duties done, and highest goal reached. Him, a true Brahmin, a true Arahant, I call. Dhammapad 386. He is given to concentrated contemplation. He is free of all blemishes, the dust that defiles a being. He sits in solitude. All his spiritual tasks and obligations are done. He has reached the highest goal. That person I describe as a Brahmana, as an Arahant. Seated stainless, concentrated, whose works is done, who is free of taint, having attained the highest aim, that one I call a Brahmin true, an Arahant true. Dhammapad 386. Chaing Virajamashinong Kotokitchang Anasabong Uttamattang Anupattang Tamahong Brahmi Brahmanang. Dhammapad 386.